Here's how to turn on NFC on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. On iPhone, NFC is always enabled by default. There is no manual on-off switch. You just need to know how to use it correctly. NFC on iPhone is used for Apple Pay, contactless payments, NFC tags, transit cards, and supported apps. Open Settings. Tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Make sure Apple Pay is turned on and a card is added. Your iPhone will automatically use NFC when you hold it near a reader. To scan NFC tags, open Settings. Tap Control Center. Add NFC Tag Reader. Now swipe down and tap the NFC icon to scan tags. iPhone 7 and newer support NFC. iPhone XS and newer can read NFC tags automatically without opening Control Center. If NFC isn't working, it's usually because Apple Pay isn't set up or the app doesn't support NFC. Keep the top of your iPhone near the NFC reader for best results. And that's it. That's how NFC works on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.